Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to use Proxy by Janitor AI step by step. First, open your browser and go to janitorai.com. Once you're on the site, pick any character you want to chat with. For example, I'll select an Arius. Click on it, and then click Chat to open the chat window. Next, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the hamburger icon, that's the 3 horizontal lines. From the drop-down menu, select API Settings. Inside the API settings, go to the Proxy section and click Add Configuration. Now you'll see several fields you need to fill out. Configuration name, you can give it any name you like. Model name, choose the model you want to use, such as GPT-4 or GPT 3.5 Turbo. Proxy URL, enter the specific URL of the proxy you want to connect to. Custom template prompt, this is optional, but you can add one if you have a custom prompt setup. Once you've filled everything out, click Add Configuration, then press Save Settings. That's it. Your proxy is now active and ready to use with Janitor AI. You can switch between proxies anytime you want, depending on which model or endpoint you prefer. And that's how you use Proxy by Janitor AI quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.